Hey, what's going on? It's my nigga again. I'm chilling. Coming at you live from my living room, just taking it easy. And I got an opportunity for you to do if you wanna start a free account and make up to $1,000 extra a week from a free account that you just start off making, and all you do is promote with simple free traffic methods. There's a link below that I want to show you the opportunity I got involved in, and I like it. It's doing pretty good, and it's praying well. And if you're watching this on a page that I got it set up on, you can look around and see the next step that you need to do to get involved with. It's great, it's simple, it's straight direct, and pretty much what I like about the company is they go ahead and promise. Not promise, they guarantee. And a lot of companies, most companies can't guarantee. They guarantee they will put 30 people in your downline for you. 30 people in your downline for you. You understand if you got 30 people in your downline making you money, or you have made money from, and you're getting paid directly to your PayPal. That's the great simple thing about the system, man. And pretty much you can't do too much more, but just go ahead and click the link or do the directions on this page so you can go ahead and get it and just get your free account and get started. All right, they're gonna book you a call, and they're gonna start running the free traffic for you and getting 30 people in your downline, guaranteed. All right, so go ahead and check it out, see how real we are, see how real it is, and you'll definitely see why I got involved with it. All right, peace, take it easy, I'm out.